I'm back with another one. Yes, sir. Ski your boy, boss up with K. When we talk about passive income, these gig apps, these driving jobs, how to work these sprinter vans, box trucks, anything to get you paid and out the 9 to 5 rat race. We about that on this channel. And I'm back with another great company that's pretty much national at this point. Definitely more on the Eastern Coast, but they're in a lot of different places. We're going to talk about it. I covered this video last year, right when I was about to start with them, but some things worked out with my schedule. I couldn't, drive for them full time. But this is a way to make your own business, make your own delivery transport business, way to boss up, be your own boss with this company. What I'm talking about, Lasership. So I'm in the van. I just got back, but this is a great video for, van drivers, sprinter van drivers, small cargo van drivers, SUVs, even cars. But of course, the bigger the vehicle, the more money you can make, because the more you can transport and move around your city. This is not a expedited over the road. This is more for local, but they do have some ways for you to kind of get some miles in and make some more money as well. So they've recently partnered with ONTrac. So Lasership and ONTrac are, kind of one company now. So that provides more cities, more states, more you guys opportunities to make money. So they got the East Coast and the West Coast now, and they are ready to rock and roll everywhere, expand, and now you can partner with them and boss up and start getting your own dedicated routes instead of just that app work, gig work, where you kind of got to be the first one to pick something, or like VHO, where you got to pick your route at the end of the night. This one you kind of get locked in, once you prove yourself, once you're worthy enough to be a Lasership member, a dedicated route driver, and then you can kind of keep those routes over and over again until you lose it, or until on the Lasership loses the contract. All right. So, of course, as always, we're going to take a look at the website, go into details, show you everywhere they are, and then probably look at some other details and see about, how much they're getting paid per routes, for car drivers versus SUV versus vans. All right? All right, boss up, baby. We are on the Lasership ONTrac website. Here you go. You see these cities they are. The ONTrac is the yellow circles where ONTrac were primarily at, and then here over here where Lasership was primarily at. But you see they merged and they got routes all over the place. Serve the communities, deliver package on Lasership behalf. So you're not going to be working as your company. You're going to be delivering on their behalf, but you will list your company when you sign up, and they send out the paychecks in your business name if you have a business. If not, then you just get the paycheck sent to your regular SSN. So let's see how we get paid. Independent package delivery drivers needed. Start growing your business today. Want to be your own bossy folk always, I swear. Use your own vehicle or vehicles provide delivery service. Why? Contract with Lasership, fast growing, covering 22 states and Washington, D.C. Steady income, safe. This guy started his own business. He's a cool guy. This other guy, he has a passion for delivering packages. Got his winter coat on. So, you deliver last mile. I actually got some Nike shoes delivered by Lasership before when I ordered from Sneakers app. So, they work with large brands, large companies to deliver their e-commerce goods. So start earning today. Here's some information you put in, type of vehicle. So you can have a car, SUV, minivan, cargo van, pickup truck, box truck. All of these are accepted. Are you a business owner with a delivery team? Are you 21 years or older? You select the times, the dates, everything. Now, this is new. They didn't have any weekend stuff when I signed up. So I might need to go back in there and see if I can get me a little weekend written out. So when the fuel was starting to go up last year in 2021, a lot of these companies start implementing fuel surcharges which they passed on to their drivers, hopefully, but I'm not sure how much of an effect this is still going on. Gas prices kind of went down recently, but the map, there is the map. So here is the map. Here is all the places that they deliver. So they got Georgia. What the SC mean? I don't know. But they got Georgia, got it in there. So, Illinois, Chicago, Midwest, Kansas City, New Mexico. Sorry, guys, I don't have anything in your area. But pretty much everywhere else, they are there. So let's get to the money, guys. So, each route's probably going to pay out a little bit different. So it's kind of hard to determine what you guys will get paid depending on what you're driving. I think the route I had was kind of slated to pay out $185 a day. I think for about like a 6-hour run, they scheduled it. Now, usually when they say 6 hours, I usually get things done less time, usually under 4 hours. They say 6 hours because I know how to move throughout the city, move around in and out very quickly. But if you don't have your system in place, then it could take you that whole 6 hours. All right, so I'm not going to make this video longer than it needs to be. You see what Lasership ONTrac is all about. You guys can use your car, cargo van, SUV, anything you got. This is where you start your own cargo van business. You can start your own business for as little as under $300 if you can secure you a vehicle. Now, when sending in, they did ask for insurance requirements. I do remember that. And they did ask me for, some ID and stuff of that nature, my business information, because the van, I was going to use my van and it's registered in my business name. So they needed that. Insurance declaration pages was needed as well. All right, so here are some Indeed, yes, indeed reviews. We got Lasership, this guy saying productive, fun place to work. You're in your car by yourself. You do what you want to do. Normally, there you would be to go inside the warehouse, separate your packages. Then you load them in your car, home, and business, and take them here in 4. Pretty good reviews on this one. Let's see some salaries. We can get into some concrete pay structure. This is more for the actual Lasership employees inside the place. Here's a delivery driver making $56 a year, but this is not from Lasership driver. This is just people who saying what they could make. But van drivers, $8.94 a week. It's a little bit high, but it's very doable, very doable. What they would quote me at, but it might increase some prices over the past year. So you can kind of see what you roughly can make. 60, 80 a year, 30 a year. So kind of works out. All right. So that's it, man. That's Lasership. You see how much you can get paid. You see how much, how you get started, cars, SUVs, box trucks, all that good stuff.